Hi, welcome on my new training. I'm so happy to see you on this new training on Amazon Web Services Architect Associated. I am a lover, IT lover since more than 20 years, and today I will offer you this fantastic training on this very important certificate, Architect Associate. Remember that it's not mandatory to pass the exam. You can just follow my training. So, my name is Fabrice Chansky. I'm very happy. I live in Malta. It's a small island in the Mediterranean Sea. I am a multi-cloud architect and I'm the founder of fluctuationit.com. I am expert on Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure, trainer since 20 years. So, what is the content of this amazing course? First of all, we'll see what is Amazon Web Services. After, I will see together what is the global infrastructure. We'll see how to access the console and how to create a free tier account. We'll see, of course, what is identity access management. A lot of lab with the console and with the CLI. We'll see what is Cloud Shell and what is the CLI. We'll see how to manage EC2 instance. High availability, it's so important. And how to manage your network with VPC. We'll see what is S3 storage and EBS drive, the hard disk of your VM. We'll see how to manage a load balancer and Route 53 with DNS. We'll see how to do monitoring with CloudWatch. Wow. We'll see what is a database. We'll see what is container, AKS, ECS, and Fargate. We'll see what is CloudFormation, very important tools and automation tools. And we'll finish with machine learning. And at the end of the training, you will have some question on the exam if you want to pass the exam. I'm very happy also to offer you for the first customer two other training. So if you are interested and if you are part of the first 100 customer, you will have for free, you will have access to my Azure admin course and to my Google Cloud Architect course. So really, it's amazing. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to see you on this amazing training and hope to see you in the next section where we will answer to the question, what is Amazon Web Services? Ciao.